Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial. Today we are going to learn about the what is SurrealDB. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel. And if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So the SurrealDB is an open source all-in-one database. What it supports: relational data, document data, graph data, time series data, geospatial data, and vector and full text search. Like SQL also, like Mongo, like Neo4j. So all in one database. Let's take a comparison with SQLDB, NoSQL, and the SurrealDB. So the querying we are using SQL in the SQLDB. NoSQL we are using JSON, and but in the SurrealDB we are using the SQL like schema, strict, schemaless, optional, relationship, joins, manual, native graph, real time, no, limited, built-in, permissions, app level, and the native. Okay, so all in one unified system, no need to combine multiple databases. So why SurrealDB special? So the main thing that you can don't need to choose between the SQL and the NoSQL. It do the both. You can store and link the data like documents or the graphs. You can scale your app easily, build for performance and the growth. Built in features like auth, real-time updates, and the access control. Querying made easy. SurrealDB uses SurrealQL, a SQL like language that's easy to learn, powerful, like modern NoSQL databases, supports advanced features like live queries, relationships, and the permissions. How can you use SurrealDB? You can connect to the SurrealDB using the SurrealQL, GraphQL, HTTP, REST API, gRPC, RPC, SDKs for JavaScript, Rust, Go, Python, and the more that we are going to learn in the coming series. Perfect for the web app and the mobile, real-time dashboards, social and messaging platforms, IoT, edge, serverless environments. Let's take a look feature and the traditional NoSQL MongoDB. Let's control minus minus to get this one. Okay, so the query language it is SQL in the traditional SQL, NoSQL, MongoDB, JSON-like or the custom in the SurrealDB. What we are using SQL like with JSON support, data model, relational, document base, document plus graph plus relational. Schema, we have the strict schema, schema-less, hybrid. Relationship, joins via foreign keys, manual references, native graph style links. Real-time features need external setup, limited built-in live queries. Authentication, app layer built-in. Deployment, server only, server and serverless. Developer experience, complex backend logic, flexible but custom. SQL, NoSQL is plus real time. Okay, so this is what the SurrealDB is. Hope you like it, you understand what exactly it is, and any comment, any doubt, just do let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to like, share, and comment on my video. In the coming series, we are going to learn about each and everything regarding this RLDB, like CRUD operations, like how do we gonna integrate with the Node.js, Rust, Go, Python, everything we are going to cover. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video and keep supporting me. Thank you so much. Have a great day.